Okay, so today I'm here with my February lineup, and as usual, I went fully rogue on all aspects. Um, and I don't know why I'm doing a full month of Valentine's because I don't even like Valentine's or pink like that, but I feel like the art was really good and the foil options were equally as good. So here we are. So for the week of the 5th, I am using Love Spell by SPC. It's a very pink and very orange heavy kit, so I'm leaning all the way into that. What the heck? Hang on. Okay, we're all good. False alarm. The plug was just coming a little bit out of the socket. I thought we were getting fully haunted there for a second. But no, we're all good. Okay. So as I was saying before I got haunted, this is a very pink and orange heavy kit. So I'm leaning all the way into that. And I'm doing a sparkly orange, hot pink hollow or magenta hollow, whatever you want to call it, mixed metal moment. I was originally going to do sparkly orange and sparkly magenta. However, you may have seen my letting a prompt jar pick my lineup video. It was, I think, maybe the video before this one. I'm not sure when anything is going up, honestly. But one of the combos I ended up doing with that was sparkly orange and magenta hollow, and that color combo is my entire personality now. Like, it just looks so freaking good. So TLDR, because of the spread I did in that video, I'm pulling magenta hollow in instead of the magenta glitters. So, okay, let me find the patterns here. Hang on. So I really want to play into this kind of like marble pattern there. So I'm using the Plan With Me stickers marble underlays in sparkly orange. I have a code with her. You can use Domi15 to save and get my freebie. And then I am going to use those over the magenta hollow underlays. These are from Alicia Craft. I just foiled these myself. I'm not sure if she sells this color, but I'm pretty sure both Hannah and Erica do have it. And then for the overlays, I have just confetti in sparkly orange and heart 2 from Plannahannah. I have a code with her. You can use Domi15 to save with her as well. And then I've got the, what are these? The hanging heart washi overlays from PlanWithMeStickers, and then half a sheet of the heart garland full box overlays. And then I'm going to be pulling in a magenta hollow foil bundle from Moonlight Paper Co. So yeah, that is going to be everything for the Love Spell kit. And next up we have J'adore by CaressPress, which is probably my biggest wild card foil combo, because I think these colors are really cute together. However, they're very, very hard to match with foil, so I spent a lot of time trying to figure something out. I was having a full planner existential crisis about what to use with this kit. And you know, some kits, the foil combo is just an instant no-brainer. others you have to really dig deep in the depths of your pea brain. So I thought I was going to do one thing, and then at the last minute fully switched gears. So I knew that I kind of wanted to pull in like a navy to play into like the window scenes, but like I wasn't sure. But anyway, TLDR, we're going full send on that. So we've got navy solids, and then I'm pairing that with rose sparkle. These are the groovy heart underlays from Plannahannah, and I'm obsessed. I think these are so cute, and I think they're so pretty in the rose sparkle. And then I've got the heart outline headers from Hannah, and then a half sheet of confetti overlays, and then the confetti hearts from PlanWithMeStickers, and then 2 heart bottom washies from Plannahannah. So I feel like this one is a full wild card situation, but I don't know. I feel like it could be a moment. So yeah, very stoked to see how that one turns out. And then next up for the week of the 19th, I have Like a Rose from CaressPress, and I really like the colors in this together. I love, love, love this purple. And this kit is just so soft and pretty. So I didn't want to do anything like too wild with the foil. So we're keeping it relatively simple. Well, as simple as a mixed metal layering foil moment can be, I suppose. But I'm using a mix of magenta hollow and regular pink hollow. So there's this kind of like monochromatic grid paper or pattern in the background. So I wanted to play on that. For the underlays, I've got the heart tiles in magenta hollow from PlanWithMeStickers, and then the solids in just regular pink hollow. I said it recently in a video that I've just been really enjoying this kind of like monochromatic underlay moment recently, and I think that this has the potential to be really, really pretty. So very stoked for that. And then for the overlays, I've got the Confetti 4 from Plannahannah in regular pink hollow, and then the Love bottom washi. I think since this has 3 and they're already foiled, I'm just gonna pull this in for the second set of washi, and again, that's just the magenta hollow. And then I've got the heart outlines from Hannah in the magenta hollow as well. So that is everything for Like a Rose. And for the week of the 25th, sort of transitioning into March, I felt like this would be the perfect kit for that. So I've got Pillow Talk from CaressPress. Love, love, love the colors in this. And again, y'all know I will take any excuse to use lemongrass. So we're leaning heavily into that with this. So I don't have them yet because I just ordered them, but I'm using the, hang on. I'm just struggling getting this washi out of my container because it like slipped under the divider. Okay, this is struggle city. Hang on. I'm sorry. I feel like my videos have just been full ADHD chaos lately, and I'm so sorry. Okay, we got the washi. Okay, so I don't have the underlays quite yet because I just ordered them, but I got the Ooh La La underlays from Plannahannah and lemongrass. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. They're like the cute little lingerie pattern. So I got those in lemongrass to layer over Magenta Hollow solids because, like, I don't know, I personally think lemongrass and Magenta Hollow is a fucking vibe. I used it a lot last year, I feel like, and I'm still not over it. I just, chef's kiss perfection. So we've got the solids, and then I've got the little like EXO overlays, header overlays from Hannah in lemongrass. And then I'm just now realizing that I forgot to foil these, but these are supposed to be Magenta Hollow, and it's just a half sheet of confetti from Plannahannah, and then the other half will be lemongrass. And then the other half of the Plan With Me stickers heart banners. And then I've got the heart 4 and lemongrass for the washi. And then these, I just cut them in strips because Plan With Me stickers washi comes in sets of 3, and I didn't want to foil a whole sheet of hearts and lemongrass, so I just cut these off in case you were wondering why these are like this. But I've got the kind of like heart confetti in lemongrass from Plan With Me stickers as well. And then I forgot to say it, but I do have quote box overlays to use with all of these kits in some form or other. I just haven't foiled them yet, so that will be like a game day decision. So yeah, that is everything for my lineup. I am very, very stoked. I think that February is going to be really, really good in my planner. And yeah, I'm just really excited. And yeah, I would love to know what y'all think, what you're using this month. But yeah, my battery's dying, so I have to wrap this up. But thank you so much for watching and hanging out. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one. Later days.